The common terminal, labeled C, provides the reference point for all voltage measurements on a control board so that multimeter readings are consistent and meaningful. When testing control board outputs, use C as the reference point to verify 24-volt signals at terminals such as G and Y. Set your multimeter to the direct current voltage setting and place the black probe on C and the red probe on the terminal you are testing. This gives you the true potential difference the control board is driving. If you get a fluctuating reading, confirm the system is not in a transient state by running the control demand for at least 5 seconds while measuring. For relay or device actuation tests, power the system as it would operate normally and watch for a steady 24 volts on the target terminal while C stays stable near 0. If you need to test continuity or verify grounding, switch the meter to the appropriate mode but still reference C so your baseline does not change. Always document each reading with the time and the mode the system was in so you can compare against manufacturer specifications later. Common mistakes include measuring between two signal terminals instead of using C, which yields meaningless differential readings and can hide faults. Fix this by always placing the black probe on C first and then measure each signal terminal individually. Another problem is not confirming meter settings, which leads to wrong voltage scales or reading alternating current instead of direct current. Correct this by double-checking the meter range and mode before probing. A final issue is assuming C is at earth ground potential when it may float or be offset in some systems. If readings are inconsistent, measure C to actual earth ground to understand any offset and note that offset when interpreting signal voltages. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by showing profiles and recent work so we can compare options before contacting anyone. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting them with homeowners and by hosting an active discussion community where we exchange practical testing tips and real-world troubleshooting experiences.